The nomination box is a great peer-to-peer recognition tool that empowers your team members with the means to recognize each other on a daily basis. Let me show you how easy it is to make a nomination. Starting from the top, I can select one or multiple team members, attach a core value, and type in a nice personalized message. Down here, I can upload a custom image, I can notify their managers, and I can add a suggested GIF value. Now this is totally optional, and the admin on the team can turn off this feature. So let's make that nomination. Once a nomination is made, the nominees receive the nomination in their email, and the rest of the team can see that activity listed down below. They can interact with any nominations made by liking and/or commenting on the nominations. On the right side, we have a leaderboard where you'll see the top givers and receivers of nominations. Every month at Guusto, we filter for nominations made that month and send out gifts to the leading senders and receivers. As the admin, you can come down to the admin section where you'll see an overview of the participation rates and leaderboard, as well as the list of all the nominations that were made by your team. Over here, you can send a gift and manage the nominations. There are plenty of ways to incentivize your team members to participate. A favorite internally at Guusto is the Make a Draw feature. We use this every week during a team meeting where we draw for a winner each week and send a Guusto card as a reward. If you want more insight into your team's performance, the Reasons report breaks down all nominations by core values so that admins can gain insight on how their team is aligning to what matters most to the organization. And last but not least, the settings allow admins to save your core values into the system and also customize the nomination box to best fit your team's needs.